Our deep-rooted commitment to the cause of agriculture has pushed us to new heights, marked by significant growth and accomplishments. The agriculture sector remains the backbone of our economy. The recent Union budget has introduced key measures that align with our strategic goals, promising significant sectoral benefits. With two records that billion allocated to agriculture and rural development, which is a 7% increase from last year, the funding is set to generate and contribute an additional $50 billion to our GDP. This investment will enhance infrastructure, create high-tech agriculture, and strengthen farmer welfare, fostering substantial productivity and sustainable improvements. The government's focus on expanding credit and promoting agri-research is a holistic approach to bolstering the agricultural value chain. Additionally, the promotion of biotechnology and advanced techniques such as precision agriculture and drones is expected to boost yields, reduce costs, minimize environmental impact, positioning as a global leader in agriculture. In parallel, global agricultural market is poised for significant growth, with the gross production value to reach $5.52 trillion by 2029, with an anticipated CAGR of 3.6%. Concurrently, import values are projected to reach $949.7 billion, growing at a CAGR of 11.54%, while export values are expected to total $0.7 billion in 2024, with an anticipated CAGR of 17.73%. Play a critical role in meeting global food demand, particularly as the population is projected to surge to 10 billion by 2050, necessitating a 70% increase in food production. These dynamics position India to capitalize on global trends, reinforcing its leadership in agriculture. Friends, as we progress, Nath to seizing opportunities with agility and foresight. We have always believed that research and development is the cornerstone of our success. Our dedication to innovation and delivering value with DSIR and modern facilities. Innovative products and high performing seeds have helped farmers enhance yields. The National Institute of Agriculture Economics and Policy Research, NIAP, found that we invested in agriculture yields rupees 13.85. This emphasizes the importance of agriculture research and assisting us. A company is committed to farmers' requirements, supported by the knowledge of the markets. A major focus has always been on providing the highest quality seeds, developing yield for our farmers. Over the years, our company has assembled an ambitious collection of exceptional and diverse products. These products have exceeded our expectations, establishing themselves as top performers in their respective segments. Our diverse product portfolio has achieved best results this year. Our top order habits, Sanket and Jumbo have experienced significant growth in both volume and value. Additionally, our paddy line, featuring new varieties like Khushi and Dhadak Gold, have been well received. Our bajra, wheat, and maize seeds have also performed exceptionally well, with a 16% overall growth, supporting our strategy to diversify beyond cotton and paddy. The non-cotton and non-paddy segments grew by 19% in volume, contributing 30% to our top line. To enhance our vegetable segment, we introduced several new products this year. Premium offerings like tomato akhand and hybrid chili rana contribute to their own segments, We have also strengthened our vegetable team with new leadership to drive growth further. By consolidating our field crop, vegetable, and plant health nutrition verticals under single marketing command, we aim to boost synergy and expand our market reach. Our product Vinci Win saw robust growth, increasing by 34% this year. We have also added two new organic fertilizers, Winol granules and Winprogoli, to meet the growing need for soil nutrition. Internationally, we have made significant progress. After receiving approval for our BT gene in Philippines, we successfully demonstrated our hybrids there. In Uzbekistan, we have started trials and production through our joint venture, which promises huge potential. However, geopolitical uncertainties have affected our efforts in Africa, which we are expecting to get better soon. Friends, we are confident in our ability to capitalize on these emerging opportunities and contribute significantly to India's agricultural growth story. Our unwavering commitment to innovation, coupled with our deep understanding of farmer needs, will drive us to new heights. We are committed to developing exceptional products with extensive R&D, expanding our market share, and preserving our strong financial health. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to all our stakeholders for their trust and support. I want to express my sincere thanks to our outstanding leadership team and dedicated team of employees whose hard work has driven us to this success. I also appreciate our board of directors, financiers, clients, collaborators, and partners for their unwavering support. Together, we'll continue to lead in innovation and excellence in the agriculture sector. Friends, now I hand over to my.
And good morning, everyone. I'm delighted to share that financial year 24 has been another good year for the company. Our strong performance is a testament to the hard work and dedication of our team. We are consistently delivering on our strategy of expanding our non-cotton, non-paddy portfolio. In FY24, our NCP, that is non-cotton, non-paddy portfolio, grew to 1407 million, up from 1318 million, marking a 7% increase, and it now contributing 44% of our top line. Our cotton product continued to perform strongly with 16.06 lakh packets sold last year, reflecting a growth of 16.39%. In paddy, the ratio of research to hybrid stands at 75 to 25 in volume, but in value it is 59 to 41. We are in the process of improving that too. The average realization per kg of hybrid paddy is nearly double than that of research paddy. The shift to hybrid paddy, which we planned 2 years ago, is now showing results with higher margins. Our focus on Bajra is also paying off. Led by our star product, Super 27, the Bajra segment grew by 25.98% in value and 15.51% in volume. Maize grew by 40%, wheat grew by 27% in value. The PNS segment recorded 35% growth in value and volume both. Though this segment of PNS currently contributes to only 9% of the top line, we are confident that this will play a larger role in the future. Financially, FY24 was a good year for us. Our top line grew by 10.43% to INR 332 crores, and our gross margin exceeded 55%, continuing the trend of maintaining a gross margin of 53 to 55%. EBITDA for FY24 stands at 510 million. Profit after tax increased by 16.8% to 411 million. Our working capital is definitely improving with better control over stocks and debtors, resulting in a positive operational cash flow of 74.70 crores last year. Importantly, we continue to maintain a zero long-term debt position. On the other hand, we had 75 crores as fixed deposit with the banks at the end of the year. The board of directors have also proposed a dividend of 20% to the shareholders. So I would request all shareholders to ensure that their KYC is completed so that they can reap the dividend. Before I close, I have a few questions raised by our esteemed shareholders. I will run through them with the answers. We have a shareholder, Mr. Rajat Setia. He has 3-4 questions. He is talking of why do we maintain such high inventories. Setia ji, kindly understand that the seed inventory that you see in our balance sheet at the end of March is meant for the next year, which is Kharif 25. So hence, it is a normal practice in the seed industry to have high inventory. Secondly, the cotton that we produce this year is sold next year. So we have to carry the inventory over a period of more than 7 to 8 months. We have been launching new products every year. Our sales is stagnant. I'm sorry, sir. The sale is not stagnant. It has been growing at about 10-12%, which I find that at this juncture is reasonably good. He is asking about our sales return as percentage over last 5 to 7 years. Let me take you back to COVID. COVID times, our sales return had exceeded 25 to 30%. Post-COVID, it stabilized. Last year, it was less than 25%, which is very well normal for the seed industry. What have been the number of bad debts over last 5 to 7 years? Nil. We provide for debts which are more than 3 years, which turn out to be only about 1 crore or so. So that is hardly a bad debt. So zero bad debts. Lastly, he asks, what is the return on equity? I would request you guys, whosoever is calculating our ROE, to remove the valuation of land which was done pursuant to Ind AS, and you will find that I have a good ROE of more than 10 to 11%. Another very senior shareholder, Mr. Santosh Kumar Saraf, he has asked me a few questions. I will also run through them. They are mostly strategic in nature. CapEx plans for the next 5 years. I have made it abundantly clear before. We do not invest in CapExes except some vehicles here and there. We prefer to rent our godowns. We prefer to rent our processing plants. New schemes launched during the year and new territories. We have around 200 plus territories, and new schemes are a part of the feature. Every year we continue to launch new schemes, new products, new territories. This is how we plan to expand our business. Artificial intelligence and technology. It has not yet become very, very prevalent in agriculture. Once it walks into our doors, we will also make the best use of it. We are a very, very technological savvy company. Impact of Ukraine, Russia, Israel, Philippines, Iran. Sorry, sir, nothing to do with me. We are a basic industry, so we have no impact of these things happening in India. Government itself is giving a lot of boost to the agriculture sector, so I think we are sheltered with asbestos from all these issues. Steps being taken for ESG, environmental sustainability, social responsibility, corporate governance. As far as environmental stability is concerned, we are an agriculture company, so we always promote environment. Whatever we do on the ground is sustaining the environment. Social responsibility, we are into CSR. We are making steps for farmers. We are educating them to have better agriculture agronomical practices, and that is helping the society, farming community at large. And corporate governance compliance, we are good. We don't have any complaints, and we have no defaults. International carbon exchange, it's a good question, but currently it's away from our prerogative. Once we reach that stage, we will touch upon that also. Rather, whatever we do in agriculture is always saving carbon for the globe. Electricity, we have gone for renewables. We have put solars on our head office. We have put solars on research and development. Rest everything in any case in agriculture is solar powered by the God. So we are good there also. And lastly, he says, what are the steps we are taking to reduce gap of gender ratios? Sir, we are a gender neutral company. We promote talent. We promote efficiency. We have nothing to do with male-female ratios. We always try to get as many females as possible or as many males as possible, as long as they are good for the company. This takes care of the questions asked by the two shareholders. Anybody else having any other questions, they are most welcome to send us a mail. I will reply to them one-to-one. As we move forward, our focus remains on driving growth and sustaining profitability across all segments. We are confident in our strategy and our ability to navigate challenges, to grow further with our robust financial position, innovative spirit, and a clear strategic roadmap. We are confident in our ability to create even greater value for all of our stakeholders. Thank you. Thank you very much.